This is a complete model of series circuit. Today we have discussed about what is series connection of resistors, what are the characteristics of series connections, and what are the formula for finding total resistance, current in the circuit, and voltage drop in each resistor. First of all, we know about what is series connection. When two or more than two resistors are connected in such a way that the end of first resistor connected to the beginning of second resistor, and the end of second resistor connected to the beginning of third resistor, and so on. This type of connection are known as series connection of resistor. For this series circuit, I have taken a switch, 3 number of LED bulb, connecting wire, and a 9-volt battery. I have taken 3 number of LED bulb as resistor, switch for controlling the circuit, wire for connecting the accessories, and a battery for supply. We know in series circuit the end of first resistor connected to the beginning of second resistor. Here I connect the end of first LED to the beginning of second LED, and the end of second LED to the beginning of third LED. This type of connection is known as series connection of resistor. In series connection there are resistance increases, voltage divide, and current same. Here there are 3 number of LED. The voltage in each circuit are divided and current is remain same in all circuit. And this is the formula for calculating total resistance in the series circuit, current in the circuit, and voltage drop in each resistor. For finding total resistance we can use this formula: R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. R1 means resistor 1, R2 means resistor 2, R3 means resistor 3. And for calculating current in the circuit we use this formula, voltage by resistance. And for calculating voltage drop in each resistance, we know in series circuit voltage is divided. Then for calculating voltage in resistor 1 we can use I into R1. For finding voltage in R2 we can use I into R2. For finding voltage R3 we can use I into R3. Using this formula we can calculate voltage in each circuit. There are three LED we have taken. The voltage in each circuit are divided. This is a complete circuit of series connection. Here we taken 3 number of LED bulb, switch, and battery. Series connection means the end of first resistor connected to the beginning of second resistor, and the end of second resistor connected to the beginning of third resistor, and so on. This type of connection are known as series connection of resistors. Here voltage are divided in each circuit, and current are remain same in the circuit. This is called series connection of resistor. And this is the direction of flow of current in the circuit. And this is the characteristics of series connection. In series connection resistance increases, voltage divide, and current remain same.